Good morning, welcome to day 4 here in France. We are currently going from Nice to Paris. We're on the train. As you can see, it is super early in the morning. It's like 5:45 in the morning. We got coffee and we got snacks. We're here, we're on our way. Our luggage is in like the back little compartments. Over there is my luggage.
Show them how it looks from the second floor of a train.
Oh yeah, we're also on the top. So there's a bottom one and there's a top. The top one you have
2 floors.
Yeah, 2 floors. And we're on the second floor. It's only like a €10 difference, but this one has plugs. So if you plan on like using your laptop or your phone, do the top one, because the bottom one you won't be able to charge any of your stuff. But this is what it looks like right now. This is the train station. We got lucky. Super easy to find our train because it was right in the front. I'm gonna introduce you to my pain chocolat du jour. Bon. This is a lot better than the one we had the other day. And it has 2 rows of chocolate. We still have about 20 minutes until we take off. I would recommend this place. It was called Paul, right outside the train station. We got 2 sandwiches, 2 Cokes for later. This is gonna be my breakfast / snack, and 2 cappuccinos, and I think it was like €30. We made it to Paris. It was like 6 hours, but we just came into our new hotel room, so I'm gonna give you a room tour before we make it very messy. We're in room 418. You walk in. This is the bathroom. Cute little storage. We're probably gonna ask for a few extra towels and then just store them in here. We got the toilet. Wow, look at the bathroom, babe.
Definitely worth it.
Right?
Massive. Really like it. Really like it.
Next, you walk out of the bathroom. You come into our bed. Just here, a nice little chair over here. Cute. We got a little workstation over here, and there's a balcony.
Come outside.
Oh, this is cute. I will say though, the balcony does look smaller in person than it does online. Little workstation area. My mess, ignore that. Suitcase, and we have a little kitchen. So you got everything you need. Microwave, sink, a stove, fridge.
Perfect.
Perfect.
This is perfect.
Pretty sure we got ripped off at the airport, the taxi driver to bring us here.
Definitely did.
That's kind of annoying, but there's nothing we could do. We were already in the taxi and we were already here. Guys, we made it to lunch, 2:40, and we found a place for lunch that's really close to our hotel. So all we had to do was walk like 7 minutes. Chez Janou. Chez Janou.
Chez Janou.
We have a new favorite drink we found.
Oh yeah.
One we loved in Italy. We found one we loved in Las Vegas, which was water. And now here, oh, and in Barcelona we have a favorite water as well. So everywhere we go we find a new favorite drink. So this is the best like lemonade currently.
I'm trying to figure out what to do with this. If you know what to do with the spoon, leave it in the comments.
Do you think it's to
brand new
crush
to us.
the lime
Most likely, yeah.
and then like mix it? I don't know.
Oh my god, look at this.
Oh, it smells really good. It's hot, watch out. It's hot. I told them it's hot, be careful.
It's really hot, but that cheese is bomb. You gotta try that. Oh my god, that's bomb. Buen provecho.
Gracias.
But it's hot though. No?
It's perfect.
That cheese, eh?
Unreal.
Merci beaucoup.
Nothing. Just brought us a whole basket.
Very generous. Thank you very much.
I love it here. Okay, we're gonna eat I'll show you what we get next. This is just our entree, so it's like ravioli with cheese. And then this bread, really good.
If you guys are seeing this and then we're doing something wrong, let us know in the comments. Because I'm going to be dipping my bread into every single plate that comes out of here.
That was my dish. It was the chicken of the day. It wasn't on the menu, but it was on like the chalkboard. It was so good. And then Pablo got the risotto, which was also delicious. They got their famous chocolate mousse and of course hot chocolate.
That's all you.
I told you we were gonna like it. I knew you were gonna like it. It's too chocolatey.
That's too chocolatey. Best arroz con leche I've ever had in my life.
Really?
Let me show you. Try it.
That's really good. Oh my god. We need to take one to go.
What? Is that Bob?
You get the vanilla at the end. Like slight little orange tangy.
It's beautifully balanced. What?
Not too sweet, right?
Not at all.
Perfect.
I like it better than Catalana.
Yeah.
Not gonna lie.
Yep. If you are in Paris, get off the plane and come straight here.
This is bomb. I can't stop.
Right. Overall, 10 out of 10. Everything. Nothing was bad. Even this. If you love chocolate, you will love this.
Yeah, I mean.
If you don't like chocolate, stay away from this. But if you like chocolate,
same thing with
perfect.
this.
That was really good. Update. We're done eating and now we're at the grocery store buying some stuff since our hotel has a fridge, a microwave. So we're going through a store to get snacks. Should I try French cream cheese? Guys, we came back to the hotel room, put away the groceries that I got. It was just like water and these like mini tiramisus that I found. And look what they left at the hotel. So cute, with a little box of truffles and then orange juice as well. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge. Pablo is gonna open these so we can see what they look like. But how cute, this little note. I'm gonna keep this and bring this back with me. And thank you for choosing the hotel name. All our team wish you a happy birthday in Paris. Feel free to contact the reception for any requests. We hope you have a nice day.
Oh look, it's a little frog.
Little frogs? Oh, chocolate noir. We're gonna try one.
Open it.
It's okay, thank you. It's very sweet. Really good. Very, very chocolatey. I'm full. Shout out to the hotel. Next adventure.
Action.
We stumbled upon this park. But fun fact about this specific park, no dogs are allowed inside it. So
we're shooting a movie. Hi guys, welcome to our movie.
yes, we got stopped like a minute ago. Some random guy came up to us and asked.
He comes up to like Alex and he's like, bonjour. And so he's like, what do you have a camera?
First I think he said like, what is it? And I said a camera, and then he's like, what do you do with a camera? Like, what do you do in a movie? And then I said, oh no, YouTube. And he said, okay, have a nice day. Au revoir.
It's the footage patrol.
But yes, now we're just strolling away.
Like standing, like you should know faces. Like, now you guys are wondering where's his face.
We're at this art show and you see that mirror right over there. He was like scanning the little QR codes to find out the price and he bumped into it and he said, pardonnez-moi. He bumped into himself and he said, excuse me. Oh, look how creepy that looks.
Look.
In the back.
Huh?
That looks so creepy.
Exactly. So like when I bumped into myself.
Pardonnez-moi. That thing. The bidding for this guy went up to 4,500 euros. And of course I wanted to check out this famous brand of perfume. I'm not going to say the name because I'm going to butcher it, but it's going to be on the screen. And this here is my bottle actually getting customized. We picked out two bottles. I got the Grand Soir and the Baccarat Rouge 540. Moving forward, I will not wear any other perfume. Like, I am obsessed with this one. We're at a very fancy restaurant.
No, we're not trying to be fancy. It comes included. We don't drink.
Okay, so we're at this restaurant called
The Ciel de
Paris. Yeah. We made a 10 p.m. reservation. You can do it earlier in the day or at 10 p.m. 10 p.m. is the best because you get to see the Eiffel Tower. However, I did think it was closer. Like, for some reason I thought it was bigger in the video we watched before, but it's still really pretty. So this is the menu. It's fixed, but you get to pick a starter, an entree, and a dessert out of this menu. It's all included in a price of, I think, like 145 euros. This restaurant we found from Les Frenchies. If you are coming to Paris, cheers to Les Frenchies. They have good tips on how to not get scammed. Listen.
Which we didn't listen to.
We watched the video and we listened, but we didn't listen when we actually got here, so.
And all of the signs were right there. Oh.
But it's fine.
So newsflash. It wasn't just a cup. It was a whole freaking bottle.
We drank champagne and they came back and there's a bottle behind us that's, I guess, our bottle, and they just top up the drinks. I got the lobster and he got the egg.
Look, I popped it and it didn't come out. It's pretty good, actually.
He's too drunk to remember to wait.
I forgot.
And 3. The Eiffel Tower. This is the 3rd one, and the guy was like, do you want champagne or do you want anything else? And I was like, no, it's okay. They're really good. And he was like, it's included, why not? Cheers to being included.
Oh my god, why don't you tell me on Unplugged croissant in my video?
We're gonna carry each other out of here.
We got drunk off of a pasta that was marinated in wine. Well, the beef was marinated in wine. 3. Let's see where 3 gets it. Explain your food.
Okay, I got chicken.
You didn't get the chicken, you got salmon. What did you get? I got the chicken.
I'm not sure what this is, I don't know. These are
That's bacon, try it.
mushrooms. This is bacon.
Try it. Bacon and salmon?
Good.
Try the salmon.
Try the bacon. Oh wow, it's nicely cooked.
She's like this, try the bacon. Wow, the bacon's really big.
Wait, don't I use it like this? Yeah.
Wait. What were you doing? You better post this on your video. I swear to God, if it gets edited out, I'm not giving this one a like.
This never happened.
No.
This never happened.
No.
It was good. The Eiffel Tower in the palm of my hands.
So, what do you think? What does that even mean? What do you think? Look at you, look at how sophisticated the way you're sitting down right now. That should be your YouTube thumbnail. Here, let me get it on the Fibonacci.
I think it's peas.
That's wasabi.
Excuse the drunk cameraman, he doesn't know what he's doing over there.
Did you just get...
Let me clean you 1 second.
But please, leave it in the comments if you know who I am. What? Why are these so, like, weird? How do you use a freaking knife and a fork?
My mom's gonna see this.
What have you learned in French since you've been in France?
Bonjour, je m'appelle.
He's like, she messed it up. That's it. Sorry, we completely forgot what we ordered. What is this again?
You take the praline
Okay.
with the passion.
Gotcha.
Okay. And this one?
This one, the red fruits.
The red fruit.
Oh, this one's the red fruit. Yeah, it's the red passion. Red fruits. The reason why we got red fruits in here is because it's loaded with quite a bit of strawberry. You guys can see vanilla mousse around the very nice crust for the breaded side of the dish. So it's a strong taste on the strawberry side, which is the
It's cold.
mousse. It tastes like kiwi.
Oh, that's for 5. I'm indifferent.
The mousse, it doesn't have any taste. What's yours? So we got some sort of like cookie type of like dish with chocolate. This looks like a little bit of, what is this? Mango? Could be mango. Damn, this is good.
Nice.
Fit check, fit check. How do you feel?
Great.
Okay, say goodbye to your vlog.
Good night vlog. I'll see you tomorrow.